Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best folding exercise bike. Here are the top 3 folding exercise bikes that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Marcy Foldable Upright Exercise Bike. It has fat-lasting capabilities that not only burn fat but also provide strength to leg muscles. Adjustable magnetic resistance controls assist the user in simulating various exercise routines on this exercise bike. The feet of the exercise bike have rubber pads that prevent slipping and scratching on the floor. Its LCD screen shows bike speed, settings, and calories burned on a user-friendly interface. The metal frame body adds durability and guarantees that this exercise bike will work best for a long time. At number 2. Exerpeutic 400XL Folding Recumbent Bike. The magnetic tension control system can be adjusted according to the preference, offering a high-quality exercise experience every time. It has a bright LCD and sensors that effectively track calories, time, speed, heart rate, and displays in large numbers. This exercise machine has a semi-recumbent design that makes the entry and exit from the bike seamless. The pedal rotates smoothly every time without making any noise. Large-sized seat cushions and backrest offer a comfortable bike riding experience to the user. At number 1. ANCHEER Folding Exercise Bike. This stationary bike gets folded without any hassle, making it easy to store and best to use indoors. It has sensors that analyze calories, speed, and heart rate that help you exercise adequately. The seat height can be adjusted according to the person's height. The seat is comfortable and offers exercising for an extended period. The feet with rubberized corners keep the exercise bike balanced and stable throughout the usage. It has a total of 8 resistance levels that a user can set according to his/her preference. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.